Hi guys, welcome to AB Telecoms. On my desk I have X689. X689 Phoenix X689. I've forgotten the model name, but I know it is X689. Now, this phone was sent to me by one of my customers. So he told me it do consume battery. Even after charging to 100%, even without using it, whenever he keeps the phone, that is during sleep mode, whenever he keeps the phone will just drain. It will drain down to zero. It will off completely. And after plugging charger, it will start from 0% to start counting. It will now start charging normally. Now, what happened was I never knew. Initially, I thought it was the board that had issues. So after opening it, I checked the board. The board was fine. It has not been tampered before. And again, I thought it was the battery. You can see this battery. This battery is a new battery. Now, because this battery, after putting this new battery, it was the the percentage that was with the battery was 60%. So after installing this battery, I power on the phone. I left it for some time, for some hours. So I left it on for some hours. So after like 4 hours later, I went to check on the phone. It was completely dead. It was off. The battery drained completely. Now, I checked the phone. It wasn't having any short. So the reason why I'm doing this video is I'm doing this video specifically for engineers, for mobile phone technicians. I want to show you importance of tools. Now you can see I connected this thing to this is the BMS of the battery. Okay, this is a BMS power supply that I connected it to. Now, what I'm showing important, I want to show you importance of tools. Imagine if I had no tool, there's no way I will be able to discover this fault. Because initially, I thought it was the panel, but thank God, with my experience, the panel there's no short at the VBAT line, and I just said, okay, let me just use my DC supply to see the reading the panel is giving. Now look at it. You can see this phone is in sleep mode. It's in sleep mode. That is, if you take a good look at it now, it's not on. It's in sleep mode, the normal sleep mode. The backlight is not on, normal sleep mode. And now, just only sleep mode, DC supply is drawing 0.34 amps. You can see it, 0.349 amps. This is normal sleep mode. Now, this sleep mode, what does this entail? It shows that there's a short somewhere. There's a short somewhere. You can see it. It do fluctuate at times, but it's constant at 0.349. You can see. Now, during my discovery, I now knew that it was the screen that was having issues. The screen had issues. Is that screen? The screen is causing that short. I'm just sharing these tips for you guys, that the essential benefits of having good tools. Like without a DC supply now, there's no way you would be able to discover this fault. Because if you are tell the customer that you don't know what is wrong or is the screen, he will never believe. Because look at it, just normal sleep mode, it is drawing 0.349 amps, which is wrong. At least it's supposed to be giving 00 all through during sleep mode, or 0.007. You get during sleep mode. You get now, instead it is giving 0.349 amps, which is wrong, meaning there's a short, and that short is coming from the screen. Okay, how did I know it was the screen? Now let me show you. You can see. Now remember, it's drawing 0.349 amps, right? Now with the old screen, this is the old screen, with the old screen installed. Okay, you can see it's not on. All right, it's not on. So let me just press the power button for you guys to see. That is the normal sleep mode. You can see again. You can see. All right, now the phone is on now. You know, normally when it's on, the amperage will increase. You can see. Okay, I'm just sharing these tips for you guys. So I want to slip it back. The phone is okay. Sleep mode now. You can see during sleep mode. Can you see? It's still drawing 0.365, 0.3. You can see it's fluctuating. It's trying to balance. You get? So that was how I knew that it was the screen. For my DC supply, I knew it was the screen. Okay. So let me disconnect the screen flex for you. So let me off the supply first. Off. Now let's disconnect the screen flex. You can see I have disconnected the screen flex. So let's on the phone without the screen. Let me power it on without the screen. So I want to power it on now. I'll show you from the supply. Let me on the supply back. You can see it's drawing. Now I want to on it now. Alright. So let me on it. I want to press the power. Let me press the power switch now. You can see I have pressed the power switch. Now the panel is coming on now. It's booting. You can see it is booting. Okay, you can see it's booting now. Look at the flex is not connected to the board. The flex is not connected. The screen flex is not connected to the board. So I just power on only the board directly without the screen being connected. Look at how it is drawing. This is boot mode now. Okay, this is boot mode. So let's see. Let's take a while. Let's see. When it enters sleep mode now, we will know from this value that we will see. When it enters sleep mode, you will know from this value. Currently it's drawing 0.03, 0.054. You can see now. You see 0.007. That is sleep mode. That is the normal value you are supposed to be having for the sleep mode. Alright, 0.007 amps is the normal value you are supposed to be having for the sleep mode, even when the screen is connected or not. Okay, so that shows you that that screen is the problem. You can see it's still fluctuating. It's normal. It's normal. It's sleep mode. Alright, it's still fluctuating. It's the normal sleep mode. You see it will still drop to that 0.0. You can see now. You can see, guys. You can see now. Alright, now let's fix another new screen. Okay, so let me off the DC supply again for you guys to see. You can see this normal sleep mode, 0.07, normal sleep mode, whether the screen is connected or not. So let's off it and see. Let's fix another new screen. Okay, it's off now. Now this is a new LCD. This is a new LCD. Okay, so let's connect and see. You will see that it will also draw that same 0.007 amps, even when the screen is connected. So I'm showing this video to mobile phone technicians like me to know the importance of having a DC supply. All right, you can see now this is a new screen. So let's power it on now. Let's on the supply again. Please don't skip this video. It is important. Don't skip it. Don't be bored that the video is too long, but I'm just trying to educate you guys. Okay, the reason why I'm struggling is because I'm the only one in the shop now. So I want to on it now with the new screen. All right, now it's on. Look at it. This is the new screen. Okay, you can see it's on now. So let it boot up. All right, let it boot up. This is the new screen. You can see it's booting now. Look at the value. This is the importance of having good tools. Without DC supply, there's no way you'll be able to detect this fault. No trial and error here. No trial and error here at all. All right, now you can see. Let me open it. Let me unlock it. Now the phone, I've unlocked the phone. Let me brighten the contrast. Let me brighten it for you guys to see. Now I've brightened it. All right. Now look at the value. Look at the value I'm getting. Remember, the phone is the screen is on. So let's put it back in sleep mode. I'm having difficulty with this power switch at times. Let's just put it in sleep mode. Let me from the board. Now you can see it's already in sleep mode, right? It's already in sleep mode. So look at the values. You can see the thing is trying to settle down. All right. The CPU is still active. It's still trying to process that sleep mode. You can see it's not on. The screen is not on right now. It's not on. So I'm showing you guys the essence of having good tools. You can see. Look at. Can you see now? It has dropped to 0.007. That is the normal value for the phone. And remember, the flex is connected. Look at it. The flex is connected. Alright. So already now we've solved this problem of battery consumption. So the fault is the screen. The screen has a short. Alright. So this customer we have to replace this screen. Okay, you can see normal sleep mode 0.007. You can see it will still fluctuate at times, but the end value will be 0.007. All right, you can see it. So thanks guys. This is AB Telecoms. All right, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also I'm active for jobs, MDM jobs. I have all tools available for MDM jobs, for the programming, any fault at all, as much as it has to do with smartphones, gadgets, I fix. You can see. So I have all tools in stock. All right, you can see. So here's my F64. Here's my JTAG, and also my UFI box, JTAG, F64. Everything is active for programming. All right, thanks guys. Peace out.